What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I want to talk about my recent experience after updating my Windows 11 to the version 24H2. So after the update, I started to have a problem with the print to PDF option in Windows 11 and I decided to do some troubleshooting, and luckily I was able to fix the issue with some few steps that I did. So in this video I'm going to show you what I did and how I fixed this error that I was getting. Okay, the first thing I tried to do is I went to the setting, and inside setting I went to the Windows update and I looked if there are any updates available, and luckily there were few updates available, and I decided to click on download all to update my computer to the most recent version of Windows 11. Based on my experience, most of the time once there is an update available, many of the issues that you recently had will be fixed in the update, and this is based on my experience. I've seen it a lot. And this is something I always try to do the first thing before doing anything in the computer. So it's always good idea to update your computer to the most recent version and even update all of the additional optional updates that are available, and after that restart your computer to see if you are still getting the error or not. Moving on, another thing I tried is I went to the setting, and inside the setting under system I scrolled down until I find optional features. And inside optional features I scroll down again until I see another box saying more Windows features. I click on it, this dialog box opens, and inside here I scroll down until I find Microsoft Print to PDF. If it's not checked like this, make sure to check it and click on OK, and if it is checked, uncheck it, click on OK and reopen here, check it again and click on OK to see if your problem is solved or not. After that, make sure to restart your computer and check again to see if your problem is solved. In my case, my problem was solved and I was able to see that I'm not getting any errors anymore. Okay, the next thing I want to do is to see if it's working or not. So I go to setting and then I go to Bluetooth and devices, I go to printer and scanners, and I can see Microsoft Print to PDF. I click on it and as you can see right here, it's working, and now I want to print the test page to see if it's working or not. And I click on right here, and from there I can save it and open the test page to see if it's working or not. Alright, so the process was this easy in my computer, and this was how I solved this issue in my computer based on my own experience. Now the problem might be different in your computer and the solution might be different too. So always make sure to do your own research before trying anything in your computer. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Other than this, thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.